Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to provide you with a solution to the Wi-Fi calling not working issue on your Android. So guys, if you'd like to fix this and make phone calls via your phone using your Wi-Fi, make sure you keep watching guys. So the first step I would suggest you do is to check if Wi-Fi calling is enabled on your Android phone. To check this, access your Android phone settings, select network and internet. After that, tap on mobile network. And what you want to do after that, guys, is tap on advanced below. And below that, in that expanded menu, you will see a feature called calling, Wi-Fi calling. So to enable Wi-Fi calling, simply tap on it. And after that, switch from off to on here to the right. Now, if that hasn't fixed the issue and if the issue is still ongoing, don't worry, because there are a couple of steps you may take to fix this finally. So what you want to do after that is head back to your phone's main settings, scroll down till you get to system, and here in the system, make sure that you tap on advanced and tap on reset options in the following menu. And last but not least, make sure that you tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth settings to reset your Wi-Fi settings. Also, if that hasn't fixed the issue yet either, make sure that you head back to the previous menu and tap on system updates to update your Android phone's software to the newest version. If connected to the internet, your phone will then look for the newest version of your system and if necessary update it. Updating your phone's system could solve the issue. For instance, if the previous version of your phone system didn't have the Wi-Fi calling feature. However guys, if none of these steps have fixed the issue for you, there's a final step you may take to fix this issue finally and eventually. So what you want to do is head over to the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar here at the top and type in Android Repair Tool or only Android Repair. Select an Android Repair Tool from the list below, download it on your Android, install it, launch it, and let it fix the issue for you automatically, guys. So that's the fourth step you may take to fix this issue. Hope this video was helpful and have a wonderful day.